This is us with our whole family.
Okay, put it back on the video.
We're gonna teach you how to cook a pizza. Wait, guys. And our dog is in our cage. You got a dog. We're gonna teach you how to cook a pizza. Yes. So first, what is that?
Olive oil.
First, you need to put olive oil on it. Yeah. And then I don't touch that stove. It's burning. I don't want you to burn that stove. And now, that's like. Now you gotta put pizza sauce. And you may have to rub it. Yeah, can I rub it?
Hang on, baby. Just need a spoon.
And you do need a spoon. Watch out. Or a fork. Anything.
Here, we use a fork, okay?
Can I do it?
Be careful.
It's hot. Can I?
No. Here. Spread it out.
And you do need some pepperoni. Dad, can I do it myself? Cause.
Be careful, Sarah. Don't spill it over the side.
Come out. Where do we have to put the
Hang on.
Come out. I want to eat one so bad.
Go ahead, eat one.
Come out. Point it at me. Come out. Point it at us. And
okay,
now.
That's enough of that one. Let's go this one. Let me help you out.
This one's so far. Now we can put the pepperoni on.
No, not yet.
Do one more for me. Now.
I'm gonna put the cheese on.
Can I some? I can help you.
Peel it off, baby.
You want me to do this?
You gotta just hand it to me.
Like that? Wait, I know. Wait, Dad, hold this. And then like this one's mine. Zara, no, don't put cheese on mine.
You put cheese on this one. Okay, put cheese on that one.
That one's ours.
Let me help you out, Zara, okay?
Dad, Zara, do you want pepperoni? Oh, yeah.
Hang on, Zara. Don't put the pepperoni on hers yet.
This is looking good so far. Kamal is a cheese hater. Zara. Dad, you can also do it my way. It's kind of easier instead of do that. What is Mom doing at the back?
Hi.
Mom, do it. Come on, Mom. Oh.
Okay, one more.
Can I have the rest?
Mm-hmm.
You want some?
No thanks.
Mom,
Okay,
show them the flaws.
No. Get me off of YouTube.
Mom. Director Mom. Yeah, I'm not doing.
This one's ours now on the pizza.
Only pepperoni. Well, now the rest are mine. I like this pepperoni, Dad.
Yes, I'll eat that pepperoni.
How? How did I get this out, YouTube fans? Oh, that's how you.
Yay! Good job, guys.
And now we just have to wait until this. Daddy, I wanted that one. Bye. Dad. Dad, is it over? No. Bye.